we're going to change the cabin filter on our 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now this is a diesel, and you'll notice it is a right-hand drive, but the same procedure if it's left-hand drive. Step one, open the glove box. You might want to take stuff out if you got a bunch in there. On the side, you got a little string that kind of loops over a little bit there. There we go. That recall back. Then you've got, you see there a little corner to push up. Push that. Same on this side. There's a little, see that? We're gonna push that in. And then it drops down like that. All right, glove box is out. This is really simple. Get some fresh air in your car. And then up here, that piece there is what covers the cabin filter. So you've got a clip on one side, two little prongs on the other. So we'll just get in here. Just pull that up. The other side, the prongs are just held in lightly. And that's the cabin filter. There we go. So we'll reach in, take it out. Have a look here. Definitely a bit cruddy. So yeah, good to be changing this out. So you see the airflow there. Airflow is going down, so we got to install this other one the same way because that's the direction of the airflow. Pretty cruddy. Okay. Get the new one. That's a nice clean white one. You see the direction of airflow on that is right there. You can see the little arrow. So you can really see when you have a look inside how much crud these things catch. So that's not very old. That's only been in the car for maybe 10,000 kilometers, and there's a lot of crud there. So good to change it out. Just fresh air you get to breathe now. So I got the other one out of the plastic. Have a look, get our directions again. There we go. As arrow up, we want the arrow pointing down. Get up inside here. Just takes a bit of wiggling. Just push it one side, the other side. That's it. Put the little cover back on so the side, you can see those things there, they clip over the side bits there, hook in. Cabin filter installed. It's not even a 5-minute job, and fresh air. There's money you can save not spending on the dealer. And really, yeah, just let them know if you're gonna go bring your car in for a service. Just tell them, hey, no, don't worry about the cabin filter. I've already done it. Thank you very much. And it'll save you some good money. They're not gonna, they charge good money for that, and they charge to do it as well. Just a little note: when you put it all back in, you want to pull that string and hold it while you clip in the rest of it, and then just hook it back on there. So you can do this one-handed. There we go, one-handed. Oh no, it's got to go in the little groove. But if you let it go like I just did, it's only just there, and it's just like on a bit of a spring. And it's just a two-handed job, so I have to put this down and clip it on. There, with able to use the two hands, just able to flip that over the lip, and that's it. That's done. Clean air filter.